In this video, I'll show you how to add a new person to an existing chat in Microsoft Teams. This is a must-know feature that helps improve collaboration, whether you're working on a project or simply need to bring someone into an ongoing conversation. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. If you're not logged in yet, go to the sign-in page and enter your account details. Be sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple organizations or Teams environments. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see all your teams, channels, and chats. From here, go to the chat section on the left-hand side and locate the conversation where you want to add a new person. If the chat isn't recent, you may need to scroll through your chat history to find it. After opening the chat, look at the top of the chat window. You'll see an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. This is the option used to add members to the chat. Click on that icon, then select Add People. A small window will appear, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you want to add. Carefully type in their email address to avoid any mistakes that could prevent the invitation from going through. Once the email address is entered, click the Add button. This will send an invitation and automatically include that person in the chat conversation. And that's it. You've successfully added a new member to a Microsoft Teams chat. Keeping everyone included helps ensure clear communication and better teamwork. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to let existing members know when you're adding someone new, especially if the chat contains sensitive information. If you run into issues adding someone, it may be due to permission settings set by your organization. In that case, reaching out to your IT administrator can help resolve the problem. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.